Here's a recipe for an authentic home-style Pakistani and North Indian style Aloo Keema, are also known as Keema Curry with potatoes. This is a traditional one-pot recipe that's simple, easy to make and gives the most flavorful results. Ingredients: 1 or 3 cup neutral oil, 2 large onion finely chopped, 5 or 6 cloves, 1 tablespoon garlic crushed, 1 inch piece ginger crushed, 1 tablespoon ground beef, lean and full fat both work, though lean is a bit more dry, 1 large tomato finely chopped, 2 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 3 or 4 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 or 4 tablespoon red chilli powder are to taste, 1 or 4 tablespoon fresh ground black pepper, 1 or 2 tablespoon kosher salt are to taste, 250 gram mixed vegetables, 1 medium to large roasted potato peeled and cubed into 1 or 2 cubes. Instructions: heat a heavy bottom pan over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the oil. Onions, they cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, add and cook until the onions are golden brown 8 to 10 minutes. And I would to ask you guys that if you have any other suggestions, please write down in the comments and let us know which recipe you next want. Thanks for watching this video. Bye. Deglaze the pan with 2 tablespoons of water. Once the water dries up, add the whole spices and cook for a few minutes. As you are watching this video, I would like to remind you guys, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe and make sure to press that bell icon in order to get the notifications from my latest videos, and also please like this video and share with your friends and family. Now it's time to add ground beef and cook. Keep on stirring often until it changes color and the moisture dries up. Use a wooden spatula to break up the beef into small pieces to ensure no lumps. Now it's time to add vegetables and potatoes together and mix properly. You can lower the heat to low medium, cover and allow it to cook for 23 to 25 minutes. Depending on the thickness of potato cubes, stirring once in between. The potatoes will be very tender. If needed, turn the heat to high and serve to any extra moisture. Turn off the heat and add the garam masala if using, lemon juice and cilantro. Give it a quick stir and serve hot with rice, roti, naan, bread or anything else you do like. And that's it. Our dish is ready to be served. Thanks for watching. Bye.